What? This is crazy. Why is it so big? Like, I don't understand. Hey vibes, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Brooklyn. This is Vibe with Brooklyn. And if you're not new here, hey old friends, love to see you back. Welcome my new vibers. What's up? How are you guys? Let me know how you're feeling in the chat, how you're loving the channel, how you're liking my videos. Give me feedback. We can only move unless you move. All right, so let me know. Please respond to me. I really do appreciate that. In today's health video, okay, I'm on a health kick these days. It's just like I've been on a detox for a cool little minute and it's been making me feel so good that I just want to share with all of you guys out there. So today is a crazy video because I have been taking fish oil, right? And like, wow, yuck. That's probably what you guys are thinking. Why is she taking fish oil? Why would anybody want to take that? That's disgusting, right? Correction, there are a lot of benefits to fish oil and I'm about to get into it right now, girl, okay? So for starters, what is fish oil? So fish oil can be taken as a vitamin. It literally prevents diseases. Who doesn't want that? I ain't trying to catch nothing. Y'all see all the diseases and crazy stuff every single day. It's something new out there in these streets. I am trying to keep safe and keep my body intact. It helps prevent heart disease and it helps with brain function. Because fish oil does contain what is called omega-3s, which is so important for the body, which is what we need to be getting, we can benefit from taking fish oil because it has omega-3s in it. So here is my bottle of fish oil here. It is also by Nature's Bounty. I previously did a video on magnesium, which was by the same brand. And yeah, this is fish oil. Now, I'm gonna warn you guys, these pills are extremely large. Like, if I'm being honest, I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan of how large the pills are. However, the one thing that makes it not so terrible is that it's in a gel form. So let me show you. You guys are gonna laugh. You're gonna be like, why are you taking those? So this is the size of the pill. Well, let me do a comparison. So I did the magnesium ones, right? I'm gonna compare and show you just how these are. This is like not a normal size pill. When I first got the bottle, I was like, not doing it. Next. What? This is crazy. Why is it so big? Like, I don't understand. Not gonna lie to you guys, it is a very big pill, but it is a gel form. So it actually makes it super easy to just intake. I thought that I would have an issue and I like literally don't. I almost wish all of my pills were this gel form because it doesn't get stuck. I drink it with water and it's done. It's like I forget how big the pill is. Now, there are other fish oil pills that I'm sure are smaller out there. There's other ways to take fish oil, but I take the pill because like fish oil isn't the greatest in smell. And if you have a problem with taking that in, you're going to have a problem with any other form aside from the pill form. So this fish oil is 1200 megs, 360 megs of omega-3s. And it says on the bottle can reduce the risk of heart disease. So this is great for the heart health. I know I need heart health stuff. I love to exercise. I love to run. And I love to run because I know that it's helping the heart. And adding this after a run is just like, wow, I'm doubling down on the doses here. So I will say that, of course, as always, you know, contact your doctors. Make sure you're safe and okay to use this stuff. Always do a recommended dose. You don't want to ever overdose on this stuff because you don't want it to cause any underlying things or anything that to pop up that you didn't have before. And this is something that I take. I take it daily. I miss some days. I'm not like religiously taking it. But out of a week, I probably take it 5 days out of the week because fish oil has those omega-3s, which is a fatty acid. It helps a ton with inflammation. Like, we absolutely need this. Inflammation is like, it's such a top leader in why a lot of people are so sick. And I believe that if they had the omega-3s, and there's plenty other ways to get omega-3s, you literally could just eat fish all day long and get omega-3s. But for those days that you're not eating it, or for those days that you're not getting your omega-3s, this is definitely another alternative way to get it. I bought this off of Amazon. I will have it listed down below. Again, can't remember the price for this exactly. But the cool thing about Amazon is like you can stick almost anything on a subscription service so that you can continue to get your vitamins, supplements, I mean anything, you name it. Amazon's got you, girl, okay? This has 200 pills in it. I've had this bottle for so long because again, I do not take this every single day. Listen, I recommend, and I've been using it for many months. When should you take fish oil, right? So you can take it any time of the day. There's not a specific time. I take mostly all of my stuff, my pills, supplements, vitamins, whatever. I kind of take them after I've had a workout. For me, that just works out the best, unless it's more of a nighttime thing and it states otherwise on the bottle. So read the bottle, listen to your doctors, and pick up this stuff if you're interested, okay? Y'all gonna be like, she crazy for showing us this, because why are those pills so big? Like, I know this is some crazy stuff that I'm showing you here, right? Like, don't knock it till you try it, but I'll have some others labeled down below that probably aren't as large. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you gained a little bit of information. Let me know if you're gonna pick this stuff up. I get it if you're not, because this one is a little bit crazy, okay? I show a lot of cool dope things on here, but this one y'all probably gonna be like, she tripping, right? So, but I'm not. Like, I wouldn't show you anything that I wouldn't use, and that's just the real facts here. So if you liked it, please share this video with any and everyone that you know. Hit the thumbs up button. Let's get some more vibes on the channel. And as always, I love y'all, and I'll see you guys in my next vibe video. Bye.